bringing child sexual abuse to the forefront. I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Newsmakers. With me is Kristen Houser. She is the Vice President of Communications and Development for the Pennsylvania Coalition Against Rape. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
It's never an easy topic to discuss, child sexual abuse, but recent scandals, including the one at Penn State, have brought this to the forefront. Talk to us a little bit about your organization and how you've worked to partner with Penn State.
Well, the Pennsylvania Coalition Against Rape represents 50 rape crisis centers that serve all 67 counties in Pennsylvania. And after this story broke, Penn State reached out to us and felt that we were a really good partner for them. They're a statewide university system. We have services across the state. We also house the National Sexual Violence Resource Center. So we have access to experts all across the country who are colleagues of ours to help with our work. Penn State is very interested in getting assistance at looking at redoing policies, getting training to all of their employees. They have prioritized people that are working with children who meet Pennsylvania's definition of mandated reporters, but they also have it as a priority that every single employee in their system will receive training about how to report suspicions.
Mandated reporter. This is a term that we've heard time and time again since the scandal first broke, but you've actually provided training to more than 4,000 Penn State University employees.
Yes, we've worked closely with their Human Resources Office to put together a training that they are delivering. They began in April, and so here we are at the end of the summer with more than 4,000 people trained about how to report suspicions, and they really prioritize working with staff and volunteers that were working with youth over the summer, sports, camps, science, math, all of those kinds of things that they made that a top priority.
Beyond that, you've also worked to develop policies, protocol, programming that really illuminate the prevalence of child sexual abuse. Why is this so important, and how readily has Penn State stepped forward?
Penn State's administration has been very open to promoting this. I think that with the magnitude of what happened, they realized that this is important. While it may be an adult environment, most of the students that are going there and all their employees are certainly adults. They're interacting with children and they're part of the community across the state wherever they're located. So this is a topic that people think is rare. We use words like monster and predator to talk about the people who commit these crimes. And when we do that, it makes us think that they're not people close to us. We don't invite monsters to the neighborhood picnic. So we're really working with them about getting information into communities and educating adults across the state about how to recognize signs of perpetration so that perhaps there's an opportunity to intervene before a child's hurt.
Well, we've been talking about staff and administration, but students have come forward as well.
We've had a lot of students really be interested in getting information and passing out information to each other, to communities. They're doing work at football games. They're organizing events to raise money for us. So the student population has really said, you know, this tragedy happened here, but we want to be part of the solution, and it's been fabulous.
And they are, as you mentioned, stepping forward in a variety of different ways, and many students are actually organizing fundraisers.
Yes, they're working in particular at the Temple football game. They will be doing events at the stadium. They're promoting a text to give number throughout the month. They're holding tables where they're passing on information for us and taking donations. So they're really interested in trying to help not just awareness, but raising funds that will support victims.
Thanks for being with us. We've been talking with Kristen Houser. I'm Jill Horner.